Hey Matthew, my name is Dalton, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, nothing. Oftentimes, business owners are too busy running their businesses to actually learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So I've found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those same business owners raising their hands and praising me to this day. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or at the end of this video, if you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So content is anything that you see highlighted on the screen, which I will say you have a very beautiful laid out site and you have quite a bit of content on the front page. So the way to be optimized in Google's eyes is Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and then 500 to 750 words on those service pages. And then as well as the pictures on the pages as well is included as content. The alt text, the description of the picture, and also what the pictures are saved as is included as content. So now we're going to hop over into your competitor's site, and you'll notice that they have quite a bit of content on their front page as well, but it's definitely very easily beatable there. Okay, so that's the first thing, content. The second thing I want to go over is backlinks and keywords. So we're going to hop over into a tool that I call Arifs. It costs me $100 a month, and it pretty much just analyzes the data coming from your website. So this is your website, texastlg.com, and you'll notice that you have 29 referring domains and 188 backlinks. So there's 29 websites out there that have 188 links back to your website. So that's actually really good. You're doing really well there. And which in return you're getting caught for 23 organic keywords that you're utilizing throughout your content, which is giving you an organic traffic of 3 people per month. Okay, so now we're going to hop over into your competitor. And you'll notice here that there's a huge difference. They have 76 referring domains, and from those 76 referring domains, they have 2,300 backlinks. Okay, so you can definitely see the big difference there. And they're getting searched in return for 34 organic keywords, which is giving them an organic traffic of 25 people per month. So you can definitely see there's some value being missed out there, but there's definitely more organic keywords that you can utilize in your content. And the way that we tell which keywords that we want to utilize and what the competition is doing is we come in here to look at their keywords, and we actually go through here and we would actually come through here and we would get the highest volume keywords and the lowest keyword difficulty, so we could outrank the competition, take that spot, and keep the ranking very easily. Okay, so that's how we would come in and utilize those keywords. We would get the highest ranking keywords, and then we would do a little bit more research to keep adding more to beat out the competition there. Okay, and then for the backlinks, what we would do is we'd actually come into here and we would see what type of backlinks they have, if they're quality or quantity backlinks, because we want to go for the quality backlinks that are going to give you more authority in Google's eyes when a searcher is searching for your service. Or like if they're on Google in your area and they're searching for lawn care near me, that'll help you pop up in those results. And you'll notice here that these are the backlinks that the website is utilizing. And the way that you can come and get those backlinks is we go in here and we actually go and look and see how they got the backlink, where it's listed on the website, how they actually went on the website and went about getting the backlink, and then we do the same work and go get that backlink, and then we add more backlinks to beat them out there so they can't catch back up to our ranking. Okay, because we're not here to just beat them, we want to dominate them by a landslide. So the third thing that I want to talk to you about is citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web, such as Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, and various websites like that. So you'll notice right here that when we search lawn care Corpus Christi, you're not listed in the Google Map Pack, and your website's not on this front page. Now, to get the maximum traffic and the maximum value from your online presence, you want to be in this top organic listing right here on this front page, and you also want to be in this map pack right here. So if somebody's searching for lawn care in your area, your business will pop up and it'll be the first website or number that they call. Okay, so you can definitely see the value that you're missing out on by not utilizing that optimization correctly. The way that I like to explain it is the SEO part of your website, which is the optimization part. It's basically like buying a billboard and putting it in the middle of the desert. You wouldn't want to do that, right? So owning a website and it not being optimized to be found on the search engine is just the same as having a billboard placed in the middle of the desert. Nobody's ever seeing that advertisement. So that's how I like to explain it. Okay, so the way that you would actually get these citations is we're going to hop over into a tool that I call WhiteSpark. It looks like the citations are still running. I'm just going to try and reload the page real quick. Sometimes it's a little slow. But we would hop over into WhiteSpark, and this will tell us the citations that the competitors are using and how many citations they have. It's being a little slow to load right now, but you would just come in here and you would click on your competitor and you would scroll down to see the citations that they had. And the way to beat them out there is we would go get those same citations, use those, and we would continue to add more citations to beat them out by a landslide like I had mentioned earlier. So you usually want about 200 to 300 of those citations, and it's just not loading right now for some reason. But you'll notice that we searched lawn care Corpus Christi, and you're not in the map pack, and your website's not on that front page. So if you definitely wanted to increase the value and the traffic, you know, your monthly revenue, ultimately you would definitely want to utilize this organic listing. And the way you would do that is SEO. You already have a very good site, so what I would recommend is just getting some more content added on these pages and getting some more keywords riddled throughout the content. Okay, and I just want to explain the backlinks one more time. We call it link juice. And you can see that when we search for lawn care Corpus Christi that you guys aren't number one. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a lawn care site linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. Okay, so the three things that we went over today is content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 to 2,000 words, and then those service pages you want 500 to 750 words, and then riddled with keyword and key phrases and key terms. And the second thing, citations. You want to have 200 to 300 of these citations to beat out the competition by a landslide. And the third thing, link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call or shoot me a text at 478-365-8757. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. Once again, my name is Dalton, and my number is 478-365-8757. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.